Let's go! Another bike. So, these are my friends looking for. Oh my God! They already see spider so big. A spider! Nagpatuli gid ang lalaki nga. Aw! Aw, aw, aw! Pip, pip. Okay. Yes, sir. I'm here with my bike. This is my bike. Oh my God. I will tell my mom I will buy like the holder in like sa pool bike. Beep 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 beep. Video cut on camera. Ha?
Pre, daw ko. Lam ko, grabe.
Uy, tuloy mo ka.
Uy,
Tell in the comments.
Anak ko.
Do I borrow them my bike? Tell in the comments.
Lam ko, be.
I'm videoing this to send to YouTube.
Yeah.
Lagi.